just starting out. I forgot to grab my camera out, and I just pulled a little small white perch out on a lipless crankbait. I'll get that bait up. I was just drifting it. It's right there. Jawbone one. Yep, that's it so far. Hey guys, I did not have my phone out because it was in my life jacket on time, but I just hooked up with a little small pike right there, just a little small one. Caught on that lipless crankbait I did with the this white bass or white perch. This guy did not even realize that he hit it. I just felt tap and just started pulling. Even this little guy was a good fight. Should have just had my phone out the whole entire time to get this guy going. Let's see what measurement he is. There's my life jacket. Hey Gavin! Pike! Pike! Yep, I'm trying to get my measuring tape out. It's hard doing this with one hand. Where is it? Oh, I got it. Let's go. Let's measure this guy up. Right in here. Yeah, let's measure this guy up. Ah, stop flopping. If this guy stops flopping, I can get him. Let's see what he is. "17 inches. 17. No. Yeah, he's 17 inches. Pretty good little size bass. Not bass, pike. Yeah. I'm not really. Dang, this is. Oh, my brother just got the smallmouth. Swiped out, he missed the gill. Right in the gill. Really good smallmouth. You see a lipless crankbait. It was on the lily pads. Caught it right in the lily pads. Gavin, is this your personal best?
Yeah, I think so. Depends. We have to wait.
I'm giving you at least 3.
I gotta get my fire.
Alright, I'll meet you over there. No, grab him. Lip him. Okay, I'll meet you over there. That's smallmouth that my brother just caught.
Dude, look at his jaw down there.
Stop
on the
bottom. It is around 3, 3.5.
Almost 4.
Really nice.
Look at his jaw in the corner.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
let's measure him.
Right.
Lay him down.
Where's the measuring?
Right here. I hate. Remember, no, don't lay him down. Remember.
Something like this.
Grab that end.
Look at crappy measuring tape.
Get him right in the lip. 16 and a half. Right there, boys. 16 and a half inch smallmouth bass. Okay, let's release them.
Personal best.
Go. Alright guys, I'm out on my kayak right now, and I use the senko to catch this little smallmouth. Little dinker. Right in the lily pads up in front of me. Thought he was bigger, but this is just weeds. Alright guys, I just caught this chunky looking rock bass on a senko. It was like green and pearl on Texas rig, weightless. So I've been catching most of my fish in with that crankbait.